Today we're talking about fish sticks, and yes, I am a full-grown adult who still loves a good fish stick. But I don't want just any fish stick. I don't want that mushy, mystery fish-like paste covered in crumbs. I want a real fish stick. I want to bite into it and actually see flaky white fish inside. These are so good, and that's why I tried these Trident Seafoods, the ultimate fish stick. And I'm telling you, this one lives up to its name. These are made from whole fillets of wild Alaskan pollock, and they are gluten-free. That right there is what caught my attention. They're not minced fish. They're not soft and weird in the middle, and when you break one open, you can actually see a real piece of fish inside. And the outside gets nice and crispy, and the inside stays really flaky, tender, and super moist. And it actually tastes just like an upgraded adult version of the kind of fish sticks that we actually grew up on. And you can actually make these in the air fryer, but I made mine in the oven and they came out perfect. Here you can actually see the flaky fillet of fish. I kept my meal really simple with mashed potatoes on the side, and since mashed potatoes are really starchy, I had a few tablespoons of cooked oatmeal first for a little soluble fiber to help slow digestion and balance the meal. Each serving has 15 grams of protein, more fish, and less breading, which I love because that's exactly how they taste. So if you're looking for the ultimate fish stick, this is it. Crispy outside, really flaky inside, gluten-free, easy to make, and absolutely delicious.